project I wanted to do at my house, and I figured we may as well film it and show it to you guys too, in case you randomly have exactly the same supplies that I happen to have at my house. And that is a piece of glass. This could be a piece of marble, it could be a lot of different things, but a neighbor of mine gave me some glass that was left over. They were originally shelves at her house, and she's like, I know you can do something creative with them. And so I took them and didn't really know what I wanted to do with them. And then after 4th of July, when we had people over at our house and the kids were outside playing and spending so much time in the pool, sitting around a table and enjoying games and things, I thought, why not make this into a series of tic-tac-toe boards so we can just sit it on the table, and when the kids are sitting there, they can just pull out a dry erase marker and start playing. So I just think it's something fun that, like, if it's there, it's available and they'll play with it, right? Like, just these like little opportunities for kids to be creative and work their brains, because tic-tac-toe is kind of a little bit of a strategy game. So it's really, really simple. We're gonna take this piece of glass. I'm gonna put electrical tape that you guys may have at home. This is really inexpensive at the home improvement store if you want to go buy some. I'm going to make 3 grids across here, and then the kids are going to be able to play. We have dry erase markers, and I'll show you later that you're able to write on here and they just wipe right off. And the reason why we're doing the electrical tape on the bottom is so that the whole top piece will be smooth. So we'll do the grid on this bottom side, we'll flip it over on the other side so they can still see through it. They can do their tic-tac-toe game, and then we can just easily wipe it away for the next game. And since my kids love to play bam, bam, bam in really fast succession, a bunch of tic-tac-toe games in a row, we're going to do 3 on this board. So let's get started, you guys. Super, super easy. And I'm also going to use a what do you call this? Box blade to cut it off, because this needs to be a super quick and easy project, although I'm not making it that way. All right, so cut. All right, we're good. And of course, it doesn't have to be perfect. All right, so it's that easy. We just put electrical tape in 3 grids. They're certainly not perfect, but I think the kids are gonna love them. I wanted to show you how well these dry erase markers work. You guys, well, I guess I shouldn't do both in the same color, but you guys can see that the colors really do show through, and the kids can play as many games as they want. And then let me grab my paper towel. You guys can see how easily it wipes away. So it's such a fun little game for the kids to play. I think just sitting it out there is going to encourage them to spend more time outside, sitting at the table, and just kind of like challenging each other to a game of tic-tac-toe. So you guys get out there and be creative with little scraps of things that people are throwing away. There's always something creative that you can do with them.